you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and here's my co-host IK in the building.
Teresa.
Young blood. And before we get started into these hot topics, we want to say thank you to everyone who has bought something from the Rose and Gold site. Jamaican products. We don't even have to promote them because they're selling themselves. Let's get into these topics.
Our first hot topic is with Cher at 47 and why she refuses to act her own age.
Because she's young at heart and she looks beautiful for her age.
Age is just a number.
Exactly. Let's get into our next hot topic with reality. Real Housewives of New Jersey are always having something scandalous. Teresa Giudice decided to expose Miss Jackie and her husband and say that her husband is cheating on Jackie. So Jackie decided to go out and say, well, Miss Teresa Giudice, your daughter Gia snorts cocaine in the bathrooms at the parties.
Ooh,
and Gia came out, and the Giudice family householder and everything, they said that this is a false statement and to stop slandering their name.
And Dr. Ross, they're throwing shade. They didn't want shade thrown their way, so just drop it.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Lisa Rinna with her lip service. With her lip kit that just came out, with her new thing, she just got a brand new cake shaped as a lip.
I thought it looked good. You know, recently we've been contacting Lisa Rinna here and there, but Lisa Rinna, we like your new lip line. We heard Kelly Ripa said that's her favorite lip line to use, and
Lisa Rinna, you're looking scandalous as ever.
We saw you shaking what your mama gave you on the green screen. Has nothing to do with lipstick, but we like to see it.
Exactly. Let's move into our next hot topic with Brian Austin Green's girlfriend, Sharna Burgess, suggests that he and Megan Fox are still quite close.
That's not going to do anything. We're going to put a thumbs down for that because she doesn't want him right now. So let's get into our next hot topic. So people are resurfacing videos. People are saying David Letterman is quite a strange host. They were resurfacing the video where Jennifer Anderson was on there when, you know, the Friends show was popular, and he swiveled his chair behind her, took a piece of her hair and started putting it in his mouth and holding her neck, and she was obviously uncomfortable.
Certified freak.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Paula Deen. She is blooming with joy after taking a walk in the park.
Paula Deen, we went to your restaurant a while back, IK and I, and we have to say the food was delicious, the customer service was amazing, but Miss Paula Deen, it's sad what happened to you with all those allegations and the scandalous behavior. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Keep making the cakes and keep on having a great day in the park.
Exactly.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Toni Braxton debuts a new look and gets compared to Amber Rose.
You know, Toni Braxton and Amber Rose are two completely different people. You got Amber Rose, who likes to do the slut walk, and you got Toni Braxton, who she likes to be scandalous in her own way, but they're two completely different people. Let's get into our next hot topic.
J-Lo's trainer reveals her incredible body toning workout routine, and you can do it at home.
It's called J-Lo Wants to Stay Hot, especially now that she hears A-Rod is around the streets running around with other girls. She's going to try to look even hotter and put more guys on her stage. You'll see.
No, sir, not me.
Why Kendall Jenner is facing backlash for cultural appropriation over her new tequila company.
You know, Kendall Jenner, that whole entire family is just, they're all dating international people. There's no reason for them to be whatever you guys are saying.
And Dr. Ross, they need to stop right here because they need to go back and rethink what they're saying. The whole family is international. And Dr. Ross and I are working right now to put some of the Jamaican products in the baby's hairs.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Elizabeth Olsen is very aware of how nepotism with Mary-Kate and Ashley impacted her career.
Next hot topic. Actually, speaking of the Elizabeth Olsen, we contacted you and the Olsen twins for our Rose and Gold clothing line. And Elizabeth Olsen, you're looking good in your new show, WandaVision. So stay tuned for that, and let's get into our next hot topic.
Let's do some deals.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Holly Madison's miniskirt, graphic tee, and platform lace boots are a bold choice for a hike.
She's trying to look hot. She probably doesn't even care about the hiking. We don't even know if she hiked. She probably took the pictures and went home in a limo. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Dr. Ross, I know that this topic's been circulating in the news for a while now, but I just had to say, Janet Jackson looks different. But Janet Jackson thanks fans after Justin Timberlake apology.
There's no reason for an apology. Again, we went over this the last Rose and Gold. Justin should be proud of what he did. And the one thing we have to say, though, even though personally I feel like he didn't have to apologize, for the other people who, when he did apologize, don't go and try to bash him and criticize him for apologizing. When somebody goes and apologizes, they don't have to do that. He went out of his own way to apologize. Don't try to twist it into something else saying he didn't mean it. Let's get into our next hot topic.
A perfect 10. Michigan Natalie Wojcik was perfect on the balance beam. Big Ten gymnastics.
Congratulations on your Big Ten, on your gymnastics win. And speaking of 10s, we might make her our next She's Hot winner because we've been seeing a lot of votes in for her and for the movie Perfect 10.
And
so,
speaking about that,
Derek.
Speaking about that, our She's Hot winner will be unveiled at the end of the Rose and Gold.
Exactly.
So stay tuned for that. Let's move into our next hot topic with Teresa Giudice sizzles in a red-hot sheer dress with boyfriend Louis Luce.
When is the werewolf not sizzling hot, just burning out of the snow, melting the snow out here? On to our next hot topic.
The Lucas brothers are optimistic about black cinema, but have some concerns.
See, at this point, they're trying to make a whole different part, naming it Black Cinema. Cinema movies is just flooded with our cultural appearance in all of these movies. Have you guys even walked in the movie theater? IK and I recently just saw the Judas and the Black Messiah. That's just a movie right there. Let's go into our next hot topic.
Rising style star. Blue Ivy Carter models with mom Beyonce for new Adidas X Ivy Park campaign. First of all, this is a thumbs down for me. And second of all, the daughter still looks like she's gonna smack someone.
Exactly. Somebody needs to get her a pacifier or something because she's angry. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Larsa Pippen clears up rumors on whether or not she's dating.
Larsa Pippen, you need to stop worrying about if you're dating someone, if you're not dating someone. Personally, at this point, we love you, Larsa. You are our She's Hot winner. That's the first thing, but respectfully, coming from the truth because we care about you, Larsa, I think you shouldn't worry about the haters and what they're saying and who you're dating and who you're not because technically on paperwork, you're still married to Scotty, so...
True, I almost forgot about that, Dr. Ross. It's
Exactly.
considered an open relationship now, I think.
Yes.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Cardi B just made history again with her latest single, Up.
I heard there was a lot of backlash featuring the Up music video, but
Oh, yes,
keep
and-
shaking what your mama gave you.
And one thing to add to this, Dr. Ross, I think this was her first non-explicit song.
Well, no, we don't know about that because I listened to the song IK and she still talked about her private parts and good boys don't deserve no, you know that's right. Let's get into our next hot topic though.
Ken Shamrock reveals he originally owns the Rock name.
This is going to be our last hot topic, but we do want to say, who cares? The Rock has already made it past all of this, and yes, I'm pretty sure The Rock doesn't care about who created The Rock, who did anything.
And some people take from other people.
Exactly.
Nothing to get worried about. Let's move
get
into
into
our She's Hot contest or winner
Exactly.
for today.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Because you guys have been begging and fiending and throwing as many votes as you can into this one. So we're going to announce that the winners for the She's Hot is Miss Summer Ray and her mother, Miss Sharon Ray. So congratulations on your She's Hot win.
And Dr. Ross and I, we had so many votes for the Summer Ray.
Exactly.
Millions of votes come in. But we thought we had to take the queen, the mother of scandal for the Summer Ray, to put it as a duel for this one.
Exactly. Double win for this week for the She's Hot winner. Miss Summer Ray is an American fitness model along with her mother, and she has 25 million followers on Instagram from posting her workout videos. let's close it off, IK.
And
But
before-
once again,
and before we close it off, we want to congratulate Miss Sommer and Miss
Exactly.
Sharon Ray, right?
Yes.
Miss Sharon Ray for winning the She's Hot contest.
congratulations.
Sugar Ray. Dr. Ross and I would love to see you on the roseandgold.us channel.
See what you're working with.
The seats are still available.
Keep shaking what your mama gave you.
That's for you.
And that goes exactly for Summer Ray and Miss Sharon, Mama Ray.
Dad is home. These were all of our hot topics and our winner for the She's Hot contest. Congratulations, Sugar Ray. But we are out. That's for you, Kylie Jenner.